Hi guys, Oliver again. This time I want to show you how we restore a previously backed up instance of NextCloudPi. As you can see, I've made a fresh install here. I'm going to log out and go to the admin panel, and I'm going to look for restore. And oh yes, we need the name of the backup file. This is the name we want. And we need to run this. Okay, there we are. That shouldn't do the trick. Now when we reload, you'll find my USB external drive has been enabled. My profile picture is back in there. External storage is also re-enabled. I actually made some changes to the theme as well.
Alright then, just want to check my files are there. Yep. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.